Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are still going to be working on the exterior of this house. We have a lot of projects to do, a lot of repairing, a lot of painting, so let's get started. First things first, I want to make a decision on these solar screens. Do I want to keep them? Do I want to take them down? Either way, they have to come down because they have lime wash all on them. So I'm going to take the bottom ones down so we can see if we like it, where we can see the grids. All right, here's the problem. I like the contrast of the black, like the grids on the with taking the shades off, but the problem is we have like the white blinds inside and it's just like all blending together. So I'm gonna go ahead and take all of the shades off because they need to be cleaned anyway and let them dry overnight while I think about it. I'm still thinking about what I want to do about the window screens. I have an idea, but I'm going to still think about it a little bit. I have to research a little bit more. In the meantime, I need to make some repairs to the house because I really want to start painting all the siding, but I need to do some work, of course, some prep work before I do that. In case you guys didn't know, wood is not supposed to look like that. It's not supposed to peel off like that. That is completely rotten. I'll show you why. Okay, here's the front of the house. Like that's the rotten wood. And then this is the gutter that was installed. The gutter is sloping this way, which means all the water is pooling right there. And it's just sitting against that wood because it's not sealed here at the end. And then it comes down the wall and puts that like ugly mark, and we're not having that on our brand new lime wash. So gutter needs to come off. The piece of wood behind it needs to come off and be replaced, reinstall the gutter correctly. Okay, got the gutter down, got the trim piece that was above it, and that was all the rot that was behind that piece. That is crazy. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take a utility knife and score where right there, where the soffit meets that trim board right there, the fascia, so it won't pull all of that away when I get it off. So I'm just gonna slice through all the caulk and then hopefully we can get this rotten board off. Well, crap. So much for scoring it so I don't damage it. Took a big chunk out right there. So hopefully I can get this piece out right here without damaging anything else. At this point, I'm getting a little concerned that this is turning into if you give a mouse a cookie, but like, it had to be done. There was rot and I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just going along and figuring it out with you guys. Okay, hopefully you can hear me because it's super windy and I'm freezing. But I got all the supplies to repair that, and so we're gonna go ahead and get those cut. So I kept this board, and we have the soffits up top that we can use as template, so we'll be able to go back in with what was already there. So I was just dry fitting the soffit and I broke a corner off. I am not going to get another piece. That's so annoying. Okay, I spent last night thinking about what to do about the hardy board, and the hole is gonna be like on this side where I broke it. And so I'm thinking I can add a thicker piece of trim so it'll cover it. And then I don't have to worry about trying to join two seams together, and I just feel like that's gonna open up a can of worms. So I feel like this project, everything in this video so far is not going according to plan. Thought I was just gonna pop the solar screens off, changed my mind, still thinking about that. Thought I was just gonna pop that piece off, replace it, no big deal. I wanna keep this stuff in because I want you guys to see, like, if you're gonna do DIY, you have to be prepared to just be flexible and go with it, because things are going to happen that you're gonna have to figure out. I personally like learning and problem solving, so it's kind of fun for me, but yeah, just be prepared for that if you plan to do projects like me. Okay, we got the soffit boards up, and now I'm gonna work on the fascia.
Even though I'm using treated wood for the exterior, I am painting all 6 sides of this board because I do not want to be in a situation again like we were with the other board where it was rotten. So I'm painting it so I can make sure I cover every bit of it before I put it up.
While we wait on that paint to dry, I wanted to give you a quick update on the lime wash. I don't know if you watched my lime wash video, you might remember that this front section of the house right here, I tried to roll it on. Do not try to roll it on because it has started like flaking off at different spots, and I'm having to scrape it and redo this section again. I grabbed a gallon of exterior paint in the color that I think was closest to the lime wash because I want the siding and the lime wash to be the same color. So what I want to do is test it before I get going on the siding, is test it on some small areas next to the lime wash and see how they look next to each other. Okay, my son is playing basketball in the background, but really quick, I will never get over the power of paint. Like, I just painted just a little bit, and then it looks so much better, so much cleaner. It really is the cheapest, easiest thing you can do to upgrade anything in your home. Furniture, walls, is paint. remember when I broke the soffit board and had this hole right here? So I cut a board, a piece of wider trim to go in there. Oops, that's the wrong way. Like that. This is where we're stopping for today's video. Make sure that you're subscribed because next week we're actually going to get started painting and it's going to be a big transformation and I'm so excited about it. You have to do the prep work before you start painting because it won't end up pretty and you'll wish that you did go back and do the prep work beforehand. So thanks so much for watching, guys. Bye!